Atomy Absolute Skincare Set was just amazing. But I can't believe they came out with something even better. Atomy Synergy Ampoule Program. Ta-da! It's a beautiful bottle, right? It is 4 weeks intense care program that it will change your skin within 4 weeks. This box contains 4 ampoules, code 0, 1, 2, and 3. Why code 0? Because code 0 is needed because it will help your skin to go back to 0. Our skin is usually very damaged, very dry. It's actually below 0 at the moment. However, putting this ampoule on, it will make your skin go back to 0 so that when you put on other ampoules, it will be able to absorb all those great ingredients onto your face. So code 0 is advanced hydration that gives you lots of hydration. Code 1 is Vitaluminous, which is multivitamin serum. Will give you brightening effect of your skin. But remember, code 1, which is a multivitamin serum, please do not wear it in the morning if you're not going to wear triple layer of your sunscreen. So I usually recommend to people to wear in the evening time. Code 2 is 24K Gold Infusion. You can see 24K gold inside. And it will give you tightening effect to your skin. Code 3 is Miracle Rejuvenating. It is anti-aging ampoule that make you look younger. So let's look into these ampules and let me show you some tips. Okay, this one right here is code 0 that you see. And in a bottle, remember there is a core ampoule on the bottom and an active ampoule on the top. You need to make sure that you press to release the active ampoule that's staying on the top. I've actually had someone who actually opened it throughout the top part, so they end up not using an active ampoule at all. So remember, you have to press to release the bottle. Here we go. Oh, do you see that blue active ampoule that released? So make sure when it's released, you have to shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Yes. Make sure you shake to mix it really, really well. Okay, once it's mixed, you can open the top like this. You can put the spoiler in the bottle. Here's the spoiler. I know it's white. Right here, it's white. Do you see? Make sure you release this paper part. Because a lot of people that I know, they actually put the spoiler in like this. So once you put it in, you won't be able to actually grab all those ingredients inside because they won't be able to use the spoiler properly. So remove the case, remove the paper wrap, and ta-da! So it's ready to use and you can use code 0 right away. I strongly recommend you to use Synergy Ampoule 1 bottle at a time, 1 bottle per week. If you guys haven't tried Atomy Synergy Ampoule program, it is definitely worth it for you to try. Try first box and see complete difference on your skin. Thank you, everyone.